Ise maskiki kabin. Kitchen ane mara sona ya anwi keme. Onyi keme. Todone ganim ye dodone. Awu monyi Igbo. Awu monyi Igbo Igbake kenwo. Igbake Edo State. I'm not understanding, and I'm forced to be Igbo person. When that one starts?
What if everything you thought you knew about identity was incomplete? What if a people could speak like you, live like you, even share your traditions, but still say, we are not you? Today, we are diving into one of the most controversial identity debates in Nigeria. Are Igbanke people truly Igbo or something entirely different? Welcome to Enu Cultural Forum, where we promote the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people.
Igbo wenye ka Igbo biwa ake Igbanke ya onye buzo bebe eni maka okike toro maka no muno Kenya wono semba na okiko story ho ekumele membo mana ichone mara ndị Igbanke amara ihe mana meke onye Igbanke e mara ihe ili me social media hu na ojokwo mene ndị owe mara ari wekupuwa mana enchano gwa no ni nula gwa ndị ka ise ndị ka Igbo ọka fọrụ imerime ndị ka igonete maka na ele ekele Igbo ele ihe mana ewu ndị elu ala maka na ewu ndị elu ala ka ndị wele ala maka ewu ndị mbụ asụsụ na asụsụ Igbo asụsụ elu ala omenala elu ala asụsụ elu ala.
Today's story takes us to Igbanke, 6 communities in Edo State that have sparked debates for generations. They speak a dialect that sounds strikingly Igbo, an Eka dialect of the Igbo language. They share customs, names, and traditions with the Igbo people, yet politically and geographically, they belong to Edo State. So, the question remains, are Igbanke people really Igbo? Who are the Igbanke people really? Let's start with what's obvious. It is very obvious that they speak the language that is synonymous with Igbo. If you have ever heard Igbanke people speak, you just might swear you are listening to someone from Anambra or somewhere in Enugu State or even parts of Igbo land and Delta. Their dialect is rooted in Igbo language structure, in context and in usage. Then comes their culture, which is number 2 criteria to consider. Traditional marriage rites, naming systems, festivals. Many of these mirror the culture found among the Igbo people in the southeast part of Nigeria. Even personal names carry that unmistakable Igbo identity. You will hear names like Chukwuemeka and the rest. Naturally, many people argue, if it looks Igbo, sounds Igbo, and behaves Igbo, then it must be Igbo. But is identity really that simple? Is it simply whatever you speak, whatever cultures you practice, you become? Now here is where things get really complicated. Historically, Igbanke is located within Edo State, a region strongly tied to the powerful Bidi Kingdom, once the heart of Bendel State that included Delta States and Edo State. But when the states were split by boundary adjustment, Igbanke was carved into Edo State, dividing and separating them from their other Eka communities in Eka Northeast and Eka South local government areas of Delta State. So, Igbanke, although being Eka communities, are presently found in Edo State and not Delta State, while those in Delta State align themselves as Igbo, those in Edo State are still struggling because they fall under the shadow of the traditional ruler of Edo State, the Oba of Benin. Some oral histories suggest that Igbanke people have ancestral links to Benin. Others say they migrated from different parts of Igbo land and settled over time. And politically, administratively, they have long been recognized as part of Edo State, not the Igbo-speaking southeastern states of Nigeria. That is according to history. So now the narrative begins to split. Are they Igbo by ancestral origin, by culture, and Edo by origin? What is the link between Igbanke and the people of Edo State? Because people in Benin do not understand the language, the Ika language of the Igbanke people, and vice versa. The Igbanke man will not also understand the Benin language of the Benin people. In fact, they are even called Ovibo, meaning Omo Igbo. The Igbo people, they are regarded by the Beninese as Igbo people. Here is a very deeper truth that most people tend to miss. Identity in Nigeria is not just about language or culture. It is also about politics, history, and self-definition. Some Igbanke people proudly identify as Igbo, including the 6 kings of Igbanke. Others strongly reject the label and assert a distinct identity. You will hear them say, "We are not Igbo." Is it by force to be Igbo? So this set of people express a distinct identity. To say the least, they will say, "We are Eka people." And this isn't unusual in Nigeria. Across Nigeria, many ethnic groups exist in this in-between space, shaped by migration, intermarriage, and colonial borders. So the real question becomes, who gets to decide one's identity? Or what gets to decide one's identity? Is it language? Is it history? Geography? Or the people themselves? Who gets to define one's identity? Is it geography, language, culture, or the people themselves? Because here is the twist. You can study history, analyze language, compare cultures of a people, but at the end of the day, identity is as much about perception as it is about origin. And for the people of Igbanke, that identity is layered, complex, and still evolving, although they strongly continue to maintain that they are Igbo in spite of the pressures. So, what do you think? Are Igbanke people Igbo, or are they something uniquely on their own? Or are they something uniquely on their own? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let us know what you think about this topic we discussed today. And if you love